Well, alrighty, we're out here in a secret spot. I came out to bowfish, and I mean, the carp are going crazy, but I'm just in my kayak, and it's a little sketchy. I mean, I could probably shoot from the bank, but I just did something a couple times that was pretty awesome. I'm gonna see if I can do it again. Caught two probably 24, 30-inch catfish, which out of the kayak was awesome because they put up one hell of a fight. And just ran back to the pickup to resupply, and don't have any sunscreen unfortunately, so I had to make a tunic out of a shirt. I got the dolly dog under my sweatshirt to keep her out of the sun, to see if we can't catch another catfish. Well, probably think I'm a liar. Been out here another couple hours and I've only had one bite. A couple carp get tangled in it too, but I mean, that's happening pretty regularly. Clouds come out at least, so the sun's not beating down as bad. Although I am realizing my legs are very, very lobster-like. Probably gonna stick it out a little while longer, provided the weather stays the way it is, and hopefully we catch some more. Well, finally, we're on. Got myself semi-anchored. Holy crap. These catfish freaking fight. Oh, that might be a carp. If that's a carp, we have problems. Nope, catfish. Just the freaking toad. Oh boy. Oh yeah, that's a big catfish. Oh, oh yeah, he is heavy. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at that toad. Oh, fuck. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Where'd my knife go? Don't have pliers, but the knife trick's been working okay. I gotta get a photo for the gram, huh? Oh. Hey, you're fine. It's okay, Dolly. I already got freaking whammied by one of these guys earlier today. I'd really rather not do it again. Oh, that works so well. Alright, I think I'm free there.